how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog. It is so good to say recipe vlog because I haven't really shared any recipe vlogs lately. So anyways, for today's recipe, it is bacon and eggs breakfast bagel. So it is basically just bagel sandwich with egg and bacon. You can use for sure original bacon, turkey bacon, chicken bacon. You can even omit it. The boys really love it. They said once a while it feels like as if they eat at McDonald's when they have this breakfast bagel. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! So for the ingredients, it's pretty simple. You just need bacon strips. This is chicken strips, chicken bacon. You can use turkey bacon, original bacon, which is pig bacon, and then butter. You can use bread slices, or you can use bagels. What I am using today is bagels, so you want to butter the bagels first, and then you're gonna need egg as well, and some flavoring like salt, black pepper, cream cheese spread, so whatever you wish. Now we're gonna brown the bacon first. Just lay the bacon on your griddle if you have griddle or non-stick pan. Then crack an egg and thinly sliced onion, which I forgot to mention, but you can omit it if you don't like it. Dot a little butter near the egg and also on the onion, and salt the egg a little to your liking. And now with the top of your bagel, you just want to, oh, I put the bottom. You just want to press your bagel, half of your bagel on the egg. And you want to brown this bacon or chicken strip. And soften the onion. Basically, you just want kind of brown them and then cook the egg. You can half cook the egg like over easy and whatnot, and soften the onion, and then we're gonna brown the other half of the bagel as well. So just push them aside, make some space. There you go. Now we're gonna flip the egg with the bagel. You can make your bacon as crispy as you like. It's up to you. Now just take out this bun, place it on a plate, and spread with some cream cheese and sprinkle with black pepper, and your breakfast is done. Here is half bun or half of the bagel, sprinkled or spread with cream cheese, sprinkled with black pepper, top with your onion, a little Sriracha or hot sauce of your choice, top it with your bacon, and then the other half of your bagel. Oopsie daisy, it slide a bit, and there you have it. Ooh, darken onion. And top with the other half of the bagel. See if I didn't make a mistake with the top of the bagel, half of the bagel on the egg. The egg will be here and nice. But anyways, you get a nice breakfast, warm and spicy. egg and bacon bagel breakfast sandwich.